Welcome to this technical guide on the Lenovo Yoga 910-13 IKB. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If your Lenovo Yoga 910-13 IKB won't charge at all, you're not alone. This can happen for various reasons, including a faulty battery or a malfunctioning charging port. If left unaddressed, it could lead to further issues, affecting the overall performance of your device. To get started on fixing this, you'll need a few tools. Prepare a small Phillips screwdriver, a plastic opening tool, and an anti-static wrist strap, which is essential for preventing any static damage to your device. First, ensure that your device is powered off and unplugged. Using the plastic opening tool, carefully pry open the back cover of your Lenovo Yoga 910-13 IKB, starting from one of the corners. Work your way around, making sure not to force it too much as this could crack the casing. Now that the back cover is removed, you'll want to locate the battery. It's usually situated prominently, connected by a few screws and a cable. Take your Phillips screwdriver and remove the screws securing the battery in place. Make sure to keep them safe for reinstallation. Next, gently disconnect the battery cable from the motherboard. It's crucial to do this without pulling on the cable itself, as this could cause damage. After removing the old battery, it's time to insert the new one. Align it carefully in the compartment and reconnect the battery cable to the motherboard. Ensure that it's firmly connected to avoid any charging issues later on. Once the battery is secured with the screws, replace the back cover by lining it up properly and pressing down until it clicks into place. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. Finally, power on your Lenovo Yoga 910-13 IKB and check if it charges correctly. If it does, congratulations on your successful repair. To prevent this issue from recurring, regularly check your charging port for dust and debris, and avoid overcharging your device, as this can wear out the battery faster. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.